YouTubers?
What's up?
Well, right now we are going to count how many lollipops we stole from Round Table tonight. Let's count them.
Alright. Ready? 1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10,
11.
12.
Oh, all gone.
Yep, we stole 12 lollipops because we're bad little girls.
And we want calories.
We just want them so bad. We're so hyper. It's true.
It's smoking.
Look, this one has no stick.
Okay.
Even better.
So don't tell Round Table.
Get many views. Make sure we get a lot of views.
And
comment,
remember,
subscribe.
And remember, you can always get free lollipops from Round Table.
Yes.
You can just go up there and take them. They won't yell at you, even though they might catch you and look at you and stare at you with a go here. Anyway.
Which is what they did. So don't not expect it. Bye.